So today we're doing an oil change on the DR650. For this oil change we need oil, of course, and several other things which I'll now show you. I'm using an engine flush. We're using an engine flush because we're going to put some long-term engine treatment on the motor, so we want the motor as clean as possible. Of course, we've got the oil filter, measuring jug, the oil, and today I'm using Magnetec 10W40. It's not particularly a motorcycle oil, but it's good enough in our temperate climate, and Suzuki recommend a 10W40. I've used the engine flush because I'm going to add the Newlon 8000 engine treatment, which puts a Teflon coating on the motor. Okay, the first thing we need to do is warm the engine up. So I'll go for a ride on the bike now and get the engine warmed up. Now we're going to add the Newlon engine oil flush. So I'll add half of this container and start the bike up and leave it idling for a while. Okay, that's been 15 minutes. Now we can do the oil filter. New O-ring. Some people don't replace these, but if it's provided, I suppose it's reinsert the sump plug. We're going to put in 2 litres of oil. It says in the manual 2.4 when you change the oil filter, but I think that's too much. So we're just going to put a 2 in because we've got to put the Newlon engine treatment in as well. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, 1 litre. Funnel, clean of course. Oil, clean. Now put in your 2nd litre. Now the sight glass reads over full. This is because there's no oil in the filter or in the oil radiator. So we'll start it up and let it idle for a minute or so, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, now it's been about a minute or so, a couple of minutes, and the oil level is just about on the full, just below it, so that's good. We can add our engine treatment and it won't be too far over full. So that's okay. Now with the engine warm, we can add 250 mils. Now we're going to take it for a long ride, and I will report back in 5,000 k's to tell you how things are.